What is up, people? I've got here with me this Acer Aspire something. Yeah. It's dead. No power, no charging. Like the DC power supply there. And there's no response. Nothing whatsoever. I was just checking to make sure that I'm putting in an Acer pin, not a Samsung pin, because they look the same. And it is the correct pin. There is the Samsung one with a small pin inside. Anyways, nothing. No response. No LED. Just dead. Don't you love seeing dead laptops? Actually, there's a response. When you press the power button, that's a battery low response. So this laptop is not charging, but it is working. Alright, fair enough. I'm gonna open up the laptop and then we will resume the video once I've opened it up. So I'll pause for now and take off the screws. Alright, so here we are. Motherboard is out. It's a bit dusty, but not bad. Not that bad at all. So let's see what we're dealing with here. Alright, so the charger connected. Let's check voltages, see what we are getting. Let's go into voltage mode. No. This motherboard doesn't have power on this side. So already I know my issue has nothing to do with the main power or any secondary power, because this laptop is blinking that it's battery low. So the issue has to do with the inrush MOSFET. So I will check right over here. I see we do have our 19 volts, 19.57 volts coming in. We've got 19.7 F7 coming out, and that's the main power. That's weird. That is the main power. 19.57. So that's 5 volts. That is 3.4. So this laptop actually has an issue with charging, not that the charger is not feeding in power to the laptop. So how come it didn't even switch on? Oh yeah. Let's see. There is our problem. So look at that. Yeah, that's bad. That is very bad. That's liquid. I'll try to adjust the light here, because the reflection is very bad. That's liquid again. Yeah, I kind of saw it over here, but I just ignored it. Didn't think it was an issue. Right over here. Alright, alcohol and the toothbrush to the rescue. Yeah, as always. Okay. So I'll start with this section right over here. Nothing that this has nothing related to charging. That's a weird thing though. Our issue is coming from right this side. The liquid came in from here, but the laptop is not charging, and the charging circuit is way over here. Not even related to this side at all, except for this area, the EC. So those two, they could be related, because those are two resistors there. They might be the ones that are coming as data and clock from the battery, or something like that, or something along those lines. So yeah, let's clean the area first. You could download a board view and and just see what we're dealing with here. I'm not sure if we've got missing components or if they were not there by design. So let me rather do this. Yeah, these I don't think they were there. Yeah, I don't think they were there by design. That is the section that had liquid over there. So I'm just gonna bring in a soldering iron and some flux. And there's nothing really to deal with here. Nope. Nothing at all. So fingers crossed, I'm just gonna hope that liquid, it caused a partial short, which was stopping the device from charging or something like that. So that's the only area that I see. What I'll do now is I'll bring back the battery and we can see what we're dealing with. Hopefully that has been solved. Okay, battery connected over there. Let's plug in the charger. The funniest thing is it didn't even respond to the power supply and it still doesn't. Like no response, nothing whatsoever. The power supply doesn't. Oh, now it's responding. It is charging. It is charging now. It's charging now. You can see on the power supply now we're drawing 1.03 amps and we've got an orange light over there now. Ah, so this is fixed. How funny. Today I'm getting easy repairs. Just fixed a dim display with a fuse, with a bent fuse. So yeah, I guess it's my night. This should be my last repair and then I'm going home because it's it's 11 past 10 p.m. So yeah, this is fixed, guys. Let me just put it back in the chassis and then we can test, see if the machine goes on and gives us a display. So I'm gonna pause just to reassemble the device and then test. Yeah, so I've reassembled up the laptop. I'm gonna plug the charger. Do I get a response from the power supply? Yes, I do. There we go, 1.03 amps. I'm gonna press the power button. I'm expecting the power supply to draw more now. There we go. The machine is on and it's now drawing more. So it's working and it's also charging at the same time. I'm just gonna go into the BIOS and it needs me to enter a password. I'm gonna make a wild guess that the password is 1. And it is. Well, the reason why I guessed 1 is that these machines, they do not switch off secure boot without you entering a BIOS password. So most people just enter 1. It's the easiest to type. So yeah, there we go. This is fixed. It's drawing 1.74 amps. I'm gonna switch it off and see how much current it draws even when it's off. Okay, it's off and it's drawing 1.04 amps and we've got orange light over there. This is fixed, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. I will be seeing you in another video. Cheers and goodbye.